Hello students, welcome to my Easy Maths YouTube channel. Today you are going to learn about factors and multiples related to the lesson 11 of grade 6. You all know this is the first lesson of the second term. Okay children, before starting the lesson, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel, Easy Maths YouTube channel. Okay children, first we will see what are factors with several examples. First we are going to learn about factors of 12. For that, you have to express 12 as a product of two numbers. That means you have to write 12 as a multiple of two numbers. Okay children, you all know 12 can be written as 1 times 12. The product you obtained by multiplying 1 by 12, the answer is 12. Likewise, you have to express 12 as a product of two numbers in different ways. Let's see another one. 2 times 6. You all know 2 times 6 is also 12. 3 times 4. The answer is 12. 4 times 3. That is also 12. 6 times 2 and 2 times 1. By these ways, you will obtain 12 as a product of two numbers. Then we will see what are the factors of 12. The numbers you use to write 12 as a product of two numbers are known as the factors. Therefore, what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Those are the numbers used to write 12 as a product of two numbers. That means the set of numbers used to write 12 as a product of two numbers are known as the factors of the original number. Okay children, we'll see another example. Factors of 32. Now we are going to write down the factors of 32. For that also, you have to express 32 as a product of two numbers. Yes, 1 times 32. We all know 1 times 32 is also 32. Then 2 times. 2 times 16. That is 32. Next, 4 times 8. If you are writing this in order, you can write all the sets which are used to write 32 as a product of two numbers. If you are not, you will miss several numbers. Therefore, you have to write the numbers in order. 8 times 4, that is also 32. 16 times 2. And also lastly, 32 times 1. The product is also 32. Right. Then we will see what are the factors of 32. The numbers we are used to write 32 as a product of two numbers. Okay children, then what are the factors of 32? Yes. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. These numbers are the factors of 32. Then we'll see what are the factors of 32. That means the numbers we are used to express 32 as a product of two numbers. 1, 4, 2, 8, 16 and 32. Right. Let's see the definition. When a whole number is written as a product of two numbers, those set of numbers are known as the factors of the original number. That means if you are given to write the factors of any number, first you can express the given number as a product of two numbers. Then children, you can write the factors of 32 with those written sets. Right. Now I think you all know how to write the factors of any number. Right. Now let's see what are multiples. Let's move to the definition. A number which is obtained by multiplying the given number by another whole number is a multiple of the original number. That means if you are given to write multiples of any number, you can multiply the given number by another whole number you like. For that you can use any number you like. But children, don't forget to use smaller numbers. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 likewise you can use smaller numbers. Then the answer will be, you can get the answer very easily. If not, you can make mistakes by obtaining the multiple of those two numbers. Right. Let's see an example. Multiples of 4. 4 times 1, 4. I have multiplied 4 by 1. Then the answer is 4. Then let's multiply 4 by 2. 4 times 2. The answer is 8. Then I have multiplied 4 times 3. That means you have to multiply 4 by 3. The answer is 12. Next, 4 times 4. The answer is 16. 4 times 5. That means the answer is 12. Likewise, you can multiply any given number by any number you like. Then let's see what are multiples of 4. The numbers obtained by multiplying the given number by another whole number. That means what are the factors of 4? The answers you obtain after multiplying that number. Let's see what are the multiples of 4 then. 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. These are the multiples of 4. Okay children, let's see another example. Multiples of 15. That one also you can multiply by any whole number you like. I have multiplied 15 by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, I have obtained 15, 30, 45, 60 and 75. Those are the multiples of 15 I obtained after multiplying 15 by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then what are the multiples of 15? 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Is that all? No, you can write any amount of multiples by multiplying the given number by any number you like. You can write, if you want the 10th multiple, you can multiply by 10. If you want to get the 5th multiple, you can multiply the given number by 5. Likewise, you can multiply by any number you like. What can you say about the multiple you obtain? Yes, the multiple you obtain is equal to that number or more than that number. But in the previous one, we learned that factors are smaller to the given number or else similar to the given number. Okay children, I think you all get to know about factors and multiples very clearly. But if you have any doubt, you can comment for my video or else ask from me. Right. So children, we'll meet again from another video. Goodbye.